Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Linux Beta so Visual Studio Code can run. Open Settings, turn on Linux, and pick a sensible disk size. 7 to 10 GB is usually enough. Once done, update Chrome OS so the Linux container uses current packages. This reduces dependency errors. Make sure your machine is plugged in and connected to the internet. You're preparing the environment intentionally. Skip no updates because missing packages will slow you later. Now open the Linux terminal. First run apt update and an apt upgrade to refresh repositories and apply upgrades. Next, download the Vscode. Deb into the Linux files folder, use wget or transfer from Chrome OS downloads, and install with sudo apt install /code*. Deb to resolve dependencies automatically. Once installed, enable Code Server or the remote SSH extension if you plan to work with containers or remote machines. Make sure to add the app. Finish by launching Visual Studio Code from the Chrome OS launcher and installing essential extensions like Python, Remote, or Prettier. If performance feels slow, return to Linux settings and increase disk or CPU allocation if available. For common failures, run sudo apt fix broken install in the terminal, then apt update. Also verify you have sufficient free disk space and that the Linux container is running. If the GUI won't open, restart the Linux container and recheck permissions for /home and the downloads folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.